Veronica Kitty Duterte, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Netherlands. How are you today, Kitty?
Good afternoon, Vin. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm okay. As usual, I arrived earlier this morning, pero I kind of got used to it already, so hindi na ganun ka lala yung jet lag.
How are you feeling under the heat ng Dutch
Mainit.
weather?
Marami akong reklamo papunta dito kasi mainit. Pero I think it's better kasi at least I get to bring less clothes.
Mhm.
Kaya my luggage isn't that heavy anymore.
Kit, a lot of people wanted to ask you directly, no, how's former President Duterte?
He's okay. For the first time in many visits I've had with him, hindi ako naka-shades kasi hindi ako umiyak. So the first time I saw him today kasi he looks okay. And we had a long and good talk today. He wasn't very into the local and national news anymore. Although naghingi pa rin siya ng mga a number of mga balita sa atin. And then, for the most part, we talked about family kasi matagal-tagal rin kami hindi nagkita.
What's the biggest difference from your previous visit and now?
I think my last visit, yung itsura niya pareho lang. I think his mental state is getting better. But I think the biggest difference is yung buhok niya. It's back to being longer again, wavy, na parang, kasi may dye may brown dye. Tapos mixed with yung white hair niya, kaya parang blonde. So parang blondie siya na medyo kulot, ganun. Tapos naka-bonnet. Ayun.
Kit, is there something na napag-usapan ninyo in as far as na nangyayari sa Pilipinas na parang worry ba siya? Or...
Actually, he was the one who brought it up last week in a phone call. Yung he was just concerned with the school violence that's happening in I think 2 schools in Tacloban and another one in Cavite. So he was very concerned and he was very empathetic towards the victims and their families. Nag-worry talaga siya doon kasi bata yun eh. Alam, if you know PRRD, alam yung iba siya sa bata. And ano pa ba? Yung school violence and kinamusta niya yung families. Kasi, I mean, losing a child, unimaginable siguro talaga. So, ayun.
What is your stake on that particular occurrence, Kit?
Sorry, the
ano yung
school
ano
violence.
the school
I
violence.
think I saw from social media that people are playing video games. We all know that's not true. I mean, yes, it games or the internet plays a big influence on the children's minds. Pero there's more to it eh. The system, yung turo ng magulang, turo ng schools, and yung sana walang drugs. Kasi it really affects the mental state. I don't know kung anong rason ng mga bata na yon. I haven't really read into it. Pero, ayun. There's more to it than just these video games, the stuff that you see online.
The supporters of your father, in as far as the ICC situation is concerned, no? Kasi yung prosecution sinasabi nila na gusto nilang ma-access yung mga inventory ng things under the possession of the ICC registry. Kasi ang mga impression nila is that mali-maletang pera ang meron sa PRRD.
Sana, no? Sana. Sarap sana ng buhay ko. Tsaka hindi ko na kailangan magtrabaho, no? Well, I think no one in the family is really that worried about it kasi alam naman namin, you know. Ako, I started, sa sobrang praning ko na walang maiwan sa akin, I signed my first contract 2 months after I turned 18. So, makuha niyo doon. Siguro konting savings, yun lang. Yun lang yun.
But, you have a question? Okay.
Kit, aware ba si PRRD na by next week is mag-uumpisa na yung trial ni
Hindi ko alam, ma'am, kasi I don't really talk about the trial to him, but I'm sure he will be informed by the legal team.
Kitty, on a different matter, not politics, nagtatanong mga tao, what actually keeps you beautiful that you are radiant? Kasi tatanong sila, ano
Actually, ewan ko ba kung halata dito, pero nakita ni, galit na galit si PRD kasi ano to yung mga sa legs ko na, ano, yung mga ay, Tagalog ba yung pasa?
Pasa,
Oh, pasa. Yung sports talaga, it really
Mm.
keeps me sane and I really fell in love with combat sports lately.
Mm.
Talagang nagustuhan ko, I've been consistent kasi it gives me a light feeling and it's something I really fell in love with. So yeah, it kept me sane the whole time. And also my really good support system. I have a very few people that I confide in. People at home know I am very approachable, but very selective when it comes to friends. So I think my very good and well-chosen support system is what got me through everything. A few friends, my family, and PRRD that I get to talk to 4 times a week. I'm good.
Is there something that PRRD wants to extend to the Filipino people?
Kasi pagpasok ko, 'di ba, naabutan kita. So at first I thought walang tao doon. And then yun, nakita ka ni Mama Corpio. Tita Aileen, nakita ka niya papasok, so tinawag ka niya. So sinabi ko kay PRRD na akala ko walang tao, but ayun, madami pa lang kasi pag nandiyan si Alvin, dala-dala niya na yung isang batalyon niya. So ayun, so sinabi ko madami kayo and I updated him on the Father's Day event that you had here I think a week ago.
Yes.
I'm not sure if it was Father's Day, but may nabasa akong 20,000 flowers.
No, mga 1,000
Ah,
flowers.
1,000, sorry, mali. Inventory. Yeah, at madami pa rin yun.
20,000
Madaming
sa birthday
flowers.
niya yun.
Oh, okay. Ayun. Ano sabi ko, uy, ano yan ha? Puro mga volunteers yun, sumagastos yan. Dapat be grateful. At sabi niya, forever grateful naman talaga siya. We all know that. And sabi niya, uwi na daw kayo kasi parang ano na daw. Pero pabiro lang. Well, he really is thankful. And actually nga, minsan he is overwhelmed. Hindi siya makapaniwala na ganun pa rin yung support hanggang ngayon. Kasi akala niya minsan nagsasawa na. But to be fair, it's been
More than a
quite
year.
a long
Yeah.
period of time already. But he is thankful and he is grateful to know. He extends his never-ending gratitude to you all. Not just for supporting him, but for supporting the whole family.
Kit, please extend to your father na we will never stop. May question ka?
Kit, anong comment na PRRD din sa bago mong tattoo?
Ito ay actually last year pa to. But minsan nakakalimutan niya. And so today, since I'm wearing yung t-shirt lang, hindi na long sleeves, nagtanong siya kung kailan ba to napatato, ganyan. Alam mo yung there's a hint of parang frustration sa mata niya kasi syempre ayaw niya ng tattoo, lalo na pag babaeng anak. Pero sabi ko, wala, mukha mo to anong magawa mo, di ba? So, I gave him a recap on this story, on the story of this tattoo. This was a picture taken by my mother 2017 sa dining table ng Doña Luisa, yung sa may gitna, greenhouse. And then, ayun, actually nagdadabog ako dyan, nakalimutan ko yung rason kung bakit ako galit. Umiiyak ako, may hinahawakan akong mani dito, tapos, tapos, yun nga, umiiyak ako, kaya sabi niya, halika dito sa lap niya, how is the love of Papa, ayun. Kaya niyayakap niya ako dito, and then ayun. And then my mother took it, tagal na rin, almost 10 years ago.
Kit, do you have a concluding statement para sa interview natin for today to address the Filipino people?
I'm very grateful to see you all today. Kahit init, lamig, I've seen you the whole time, especially you, Vit. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And for the Filipinos na patuloy pa rin Tagalog niya. Basta ka nang nagakuan gihapon, nagapasubaybay. To everyone who's keeping up na lang, English lang. To everyone who's keeping up and to everyone who's showing their perpetual love, support to the whole family, especially to PRRD. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. I hope I get to see all of you soon and palakas tayong lahat. Palapit ng 2028. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka.